Hello friends, welcome to LNS Infotech Solutions. Today I am going to show you something special, that is how to apply the style for particular HTML code. If you are writing any type of particular tag in the HTML, what we are thinking, we need some style, we need some look for that. So that particular view is going to view as a professionals. Suppose this will be the output. How we can get this output? Now let us see something hint and tricks. Don't just feel that this code. The first important point is don't think that the coding is very hard or very tough. I don't know or like that. So just keep it relaxed. I am going to show you from the basics to up to the advanced. If you have any comment, please write in the comment box any questions. So now here, suppose I am writing that 5 div means a particular block that we are writing into the without margin into particular body. Suppose I am writing here hi, here LNS YouTube and here is a Google. Suppose I am just saving it. What we are getting the output like that. This can't be viewing properly, so I am just saving it as a color, something looking here white or some light gray. Like that. In this way, these are the 5 divs that we are creating into particular HTML. Suppose you understand. So the very short tricks is to whenever we are calling the HTML, whatever with the tags into the HTML, we are using supposed to be div, we are using para, so that must be closed for getting a proper output. If you are doing this will be here because this particular para doesn't have any CSS properties. CSS means cascading style sheet. Now let us look at again into that particular these styles. Here we are applying for body, width, font size, padding, margin and background. What is body? Body is this. Within that, whatever you are writing, here is applying. Like that I am here is applying some colors for body. What means your whole page, HTML page that you are viewing or showing to someone. Then here is div. Div is this tag. Similarly, if you want only for this para, like that, then like that this. In this way, this is for only particular one para tag. Hope you are going to understand. In the next sessions, we are going to show special and detail about going to detail into the HTML tags. What are some of the basics, some of the paras, what are the using of it, how the styles, making more and more attractive styles. So if you have any questions about this or in the previous videos, or if you are suggesting something new that you need video on this, you can comment it. I will prefer that particular subjects and we will show surely on that. So thank you for watching friends. Have a good day and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye.